Hi there guys, for today we are making a spicy chickpea and gingerbread salad. So we've got some onions thinly sliced here. The pan is conveniently heated already. I'm going to add garlic, some chopped red chili. Part of the spicy, we've got some grated ginger here. And I'm just going to squeeze the juice from the ginger. Chickpeas. We're slicing some pear, some ginger cookies. Let's add our chickpeas. I'm not going to add everything. We'll taste this now. So just add the peas. These guys, I'm not going to chop it, but we are just going to crunch it a little bit. Chickpea and ginger biscuit salad.